Good morning. It's August, and here in Indiana, that means back to school. There are many ways to prepare yourself, your children, and your family for the school year. Many schools require children that are entering kindergarten to have a dental exam. And if you have not already done so, make sure you schedule and get that done. And if you have children that are entering a different grade, it's still best to make sure that they're seeing the dentist routinely. And back to school is a great reminder to get those scheduled. It's important to keep those primary teeth or baby teeth healthy. And the reason is because those teeth allow your child to eat the nutritious and healthy foods they need to eat. It helps them with their speech, and it also helps hold the space for their adult teeth. A toothache can interrupt a child's concentration, their sleep, their eating, and all of that can negatively impact their learning at school. Another thing to consider with back to school is making sure your child's getting enough sleep. Consistent bedtime and a bedtime routine will help your child develop and grow properly and help them be their best at school. Make sure they know the importance of covering their cough and sneezes with their elbow, and talk to them about proper hand washing and sanitizing. Other back to school tips are making sure your child is eating a well-rounded and nutritious lunch. Foods in their most natural state are best. Try to avoid the foods that are processed. Those foods can increase your risk for dental caries and increase your risk for systemic inflammation, and all of that can negatively impact your child's health. Another tip is if your child is struggling with eating a balanced diet, maybe look to add supplements that will help boost their immunity, like elderberry, a great immune booster, vitamin C, another one, or vitamin D. I've talked about vitamin D before. You can get it by being out in the sunshine, but during these cloudy, rainy days or during the winter months, you may want to consider supplementing. When looking for supplements, look for those that come from natural food sources. Some supplements that are good are Garden of Life, Rainbow Light, and Mega Food. And make sure you talk to your pediatrician if you're starting a supplement program. We hope everyone, children, parents, staff, all have a fabulous and healthy school year. If you have any questions, post them, and thanks for tuning in.